Presenting the 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Call today to schedule a test drive.